Hi, I'm Doug Mackro, the inventor of the Pakayak. I'd like to take a few minutes today to show you what it takes to assemble the Pakayak Bluefin 14. So, Pakayak Bluefin 14 is going to come in a bag. It's just like this. The first thing you want to do is unclip two clips on each side. They're there to help hold the boat in the bag when you're moving it around. Then you just got a zipper, two pull tabs on one zipper. Pull those up, take the whole top, and it just flops off the back. Once you do that, the first thing you want to do, take your seat, it's right here in front of the bag, just slip it out, set it on the bag. That's the last part we'll need in the assembly process. You're going to find yourself a towel sitting right here. It's going to be a nice white towel with the Pakayak logo. And you lay it down just like I've laid this blue one down. I don't have one yet. We haven't got the production models yet, but I'm going to use the blue one for now to show you. As soon as you pull the towel off, you'll find the instruction label, Pakayak assembly instructions. Take a moment to look at it, read through it, familiarize yourself with it before you start. Hopefully this video will help you understand before you read it. There's one more sticker I want to point out. It's in the corner here on this section, and it shows you how to engage the clamps. Very important. I want you to take a look at that. So, with all that, the next thing to do is to begin the assembly process. First, you grab the top part. I like to call it hull section number 3. And set it down on your towel, just like that. You grab the second part. Slip it off, spin it around, set it, just like that. So the two are standing up, sort of facing each other, and you can stand in between them. And you grab part number 3. Slip that off. You notice it has a hatch cover. And you set it right on top of the first part you set down. Now, you want to take the hatch, open it. Don't worry about it falling off. It's attached by a tether clip. So you just let it hang. When you look inside this hatch cover, now you're going to see the 4 clamps that hold these two sections together. What you want to do is reach in through the hatch cover, engage the clamps, and latch all 4 of them. You want to take a minute, look in there and check that all 4 are locked together properly. We're going to go right to the next section. That section looks very much like the one I just put on. Got a hatch cover. It sits right on top of this part here. It's the same procedure as this one. Just pull the hatch cover off. Again, it's got a tether so it'll just hang. Reach right in here. You're going to see 4 more clamps, just like you saw on this side. Same process. Take a moment. Lock all 4 clamps. Again, take a second look and make sure they're all attached properly. Then you move right on to the next section in the boat, which is the stern. Notice it's the one to let you know it's a bluefin. And we're going to set that right up top here. One thing I want to show you actually is in here are 3 clamps. You kind of want to know they're there. You're going to reach up and attach these through the hatch. So I'm going to set that on top. I'm going to reach in here and be able to grab that clamp and pull it down. You'll feel it engage and latch. You're going to do that to all 3 of them. Just a little practice. It should not be a problem. Okay. Check with your hand. Make sure they're all latched, solid. That's done. Now, you're going to pull the last part out of the bag. It's got a little nose cone. That's to protect it while it's packed, so it doesn't scratch between the other one. Take the nose cone and just put it in the bottom of your bag. You'll need that when you put the boat back in the bag. This is your bow. Again, it's got 3 clamps, just like that one. We're going to do the same process. We're just going to Set it in place. We're going to reach up through the hatch. We're going to pull those clamps down, and we're going to latch them. 1, 2, 3. Again, check and feel. You got all 3 of them attached, and the boat bow is attached and snug. So after that, we just have to reinstall our hatch covers. I like to do it while it's standing up. You can wait until this is actually down. You want to put some gear in it. I like to do it here. It just seems easier while I'm standing up. So, make sure they're on good and snug. With the hatch covers attached, we go for the final assembly. You just grab your boat, lay it down on the towel like that. You're going to grab the other side of the boat. You're going to lay it down and bring the 2 sections together. One thing I want to show you is that in this section, there's a cockpit cover. This is to protect you, give you something to brace your knees against when you're paddling the boat. When it's packed, we leave it like this, but you're going to want to flip this pad back out of the way so you can see the clamps that you need to assemble the boat. Okay? With that, let's slide this back together. You're going to bring the 2 sections together. Grab the first clamp, gauge and latch that clamp. Grab the next clamp, gauge and latch that clamp, and so on. There's 5 clamps in the cockpit section, so you want to make sure you get every one of them. Once you've got the 5 clamps latched, and again, check and make sure they're all attached properly. Take your seat. You're going to see your seat has 2 clips on the front of it. Slides underneath, and just attach those 2 clips. Tighten up if you like. Put that in place. Slip your cockpit pad right over all the clamps. Again, you can tuck these wings right up to the lip of the cockpit. We have just successfully assembled a Pakayak 14. Now, let's just say you want to take your bag with you. So you're going to take your Pakayak bag. You see that all the stuff that's stored down into itself like this, right? You're going to notice that the 2 ends will fold up just a bit. Okay? If you grab the strap of the backpack, chest strap, and just thread it through a loop here. Bring that over. Take the other end of the backpack, the chest strap on the backpack, thread that through, clip them together. It's going to help hold it. And you can cinch it up just a little bit. Kind of makes a little compact package. That compact package, if you do it before you put your seat in, you're going to find that that little compact package slides neatly behind the seat, so you can take it with you. It's also wheels down and feet down, so if little water gets in the cockpit when you get in and out of it, it won't get wet. And you just slip your seat back in place, your bag is in the boat, you're ready to paddle. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great time paddling.